When I see people surfing, I feel like it to be nice. So today, I'm picking my surfing board and learn how to surf. I'll only do my best to learn it quickly.
I don't know where Nana heard about surfing, but he has been talking about it for a very long time. We went to a sport equipment shop and all he wanted was a surfboard. I couldn't get him one, but I promise I'll take him to a place where he can learn how to surf. So here we are at a Hunter Wave Surf School, located at Busia for Nana's first lesson in surfing. While you are here, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It's a small act that goes a long way to encourage us to bring you more content of this nature. Like, comment and share so other people will also see this video. A Hunter Wave Surf School is located right in the middle of Busia Beach. I've already done a video on Busia Beach. You can find the link at the right side of your screen.
Nana, can you do it? For me, okay? Can you do it?
Yes, you can do it.
Maybe the small one.
No, that's the small one.
This is the one you can try for me, okay? And this is the one it's gonna be good for you, okay? Yes, don't worry.
At a Hunter Waves, they have skilled instructors who are always on standby to take you through surfing lessons no matter your level of expertise.
Yes, but if I don't, that means I'll try my best.
Try your best. You have to listen to practice. Listen to what the man is saying.
Nana is comfortable with water, but it was his first time in the sea. I had to find a way to make him comfortable with the waves before the lessons begin. When it comes to water, he likes to deal with people he knows and can trust when things go bad.
Lazy days when we would sit out.
Before lessons begin, surfers go through some light exercise routine to be in good shape for the adventure. Surfing lessons start right after that.
As a kid, I used
live out violin. With lightning bugs collecting sticks and secret handshakes. I was invincible then, my heart so pure I had no fear. And those were the years that I hold so dear. And it felt so right having you by my side. I would never waste your time or mine. Do you ever think about the time when we were young? Everything we dreamt of being, we had so much fun. I don't wanna lose your love. I've been wishing on the stars above. If I go back in time far enough, I know that I would find you. Those lazy days when we would sit out on the pier.
Go for it.
The sky was
Go for
wide
it.
open.
Go for it.
And everything was
No, go for it on the board.
crystal clear. Anything that you tell me, I just couldn't wait to hear. And we'd soak up the sun, smiling ear to ear. 'Cause it felt so right having you by my side. I would never waste your time or everything we dreamt of being, we had so much fun. I don't wanna lose your love. Wishing on the stars above. If I go back in time far enough, I know that
Are you ready? Yes. Ready? Up, go, 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 go. Up, 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 up. Oh my God. Yeah, 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 yeah.
lose your love. I've been wishing on the stars above. If I go back in time far enough, I know that I would find you. Do you ever think about the time when we were young? Everything we dreamt of being, we had so much fun. I don't wanna lose your If I go back in time far enough, I know that I will find you. Do you ever think about the time when we were young? Everything we dreamt of being, we had so much fun. I don't wanna lose your love. I've been wishing on the stars above. If I go back in time far enough, I know that I would find you. Those crazy days where we would sit out on the pier. The sky was wide open. Tell me, I just couldn't wait to hear. And we'd soak up the sun, smiling ear to ear. 'Cause it felt so
You are doing well.
waste your time.
It was a very good day for him. He got used to the surfboard and most importantly got used to the waves. It's just the start. It won't end here until he can perfectly balance on a surfboard.
Everything we
good.